my name is Teacher Maria. What's your name?
My name is
Yuri. Could you spell your name? Very good. How old are you, Yuri? I'm 6. What animal do you like? Do you like oranges? What kind of vegetables do you like? Do you like carrots, potatoes, tomatoes? What vegetables do you like? Carrots. Very good. Okay. Now listen. You wear it when it's raining. It's yellow. What is it? It's raincoat. Very good. You wear this on your feet. They're orange. What are they? Very good. You wear it when you go outside to keep you warm. It's long and it's brown. What is it? Is it a jacket or a coat? So it's a coat. A woman or a girl loves to wear it. It's pink. What is it? It's a dress. Now, what are you wearing today? Great job. Now, look. What is she wearing? She's wearing. Very good. Now, what color is it? It's orange. Now next, what is he wearing? Jeans. What color are the jeans? Blue. Very good. Now what letter is it? G. H. Okay, what is it? It's a kangaroo. What letter is for kangaroo? Letter? Very good. Next, what is it? Ladybird. What letter is for ladybird? L. Very good. Next, what is it? E. What letter is for igloo? Letter I. Next, what is it? What letter is for gentleman? Great job. Next, what is it? What letter is for hamburger? H. Next, what is it? Jar. What letter is for jar? J. Very good. I got the teacher. Great. Bye-bye.